Yun. So good in the hood. Made by friends. Bacardi with lemon. O yun, cheers natin yan. So good in the hood. School. Yun na naman. Sarap. Day off tomorrow. Yeah, so good in the hood. Cheers. You know, may paasin pa.
Uy, sarap po.
Yun, chicharonis. So good in the hood. Chicharonis. Yun. Mabilis ang chicharonis. Yun. Yung pinapakulo natin. Baka naman. Subukan natin yung kumulo tapos prito. Ito on the spot lang. On the spot ka prito. Pero this. Cheers. Yun, so good in the hood. Katatapos na natin kumuha ng budget meal na samji. Budget meal lang na samji na may lettuce, na may tomato. At importante, hindi mawawala yung crispy piggy instead na pang grill na porky. Yun, that's with something Thousand Island. It's all good in the hood. Ay, grabe yan. Budget meal lang na samji. Oh, dito na. It's all good in the hood. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chat na natin yan.